Jai Sriman
Oh Sita, you do not worry and you please be happy with all your mates. You please be happy with all your friends. Like that Ramachandra Swami told Sita and now leaving from that palace. Sitamma is following Rama all the way up to the main door. Advaram Anuvavraja Mangalani Abhidadhyushi. Sitamma is following, thinking that, oh Rama, you are so innocent. After getting so much of decoration, Rama is glowing like anything with all the divine attributes. Rama is looking like a gem for Sitamma. Sitamma saying to her mind that, oh Rama, may you be safe. Oh Rama, may you be there, no problem, no harm at all. Oh Rama, may you be successful. Like that Sitamma offering so much of Mangala Sasanam to Sri Ramachandra Swami. And then from there, Sitamma stopped over there at the main door. Sri Ramachandra Swami is now leaving the palace Antahpuram. Sitamma gently giving send off to Ramachandra Swami. Sitamma offering a high level protection to Sri Ramachandra Swami. Sitamma is praying Indra, Yama, Varuna, Kubera, पूर्वां दिशं वज्रधरो दक्षिणां पातु ते यमः वरुणः पश्चिमाम् आशां धनेशस्तु उत्तरां दिशां. हो इंद्रा, हो यमा, हो वरुणा, हो कुबेरा, you all please protect my Rama. Like that Sitamma praying them and offering protection to Rama. Now Rama is coming out of that palace. The scene looking like as and how a huge lion coming out of a big cave. Parvatadiva nishkramya simho giriguhasayaha. Like that Rama is coming out of that palace. At the front gate, at the first gate, Lakshmana is standing with bowed head and with so much of humbleness. Anjali Putam Sthitam. He is ready to follow Ramachandra Swami. Like that, Lakshmana is following. Then Rama is coming out, is passing the second gate where all of his friends and so many people are there. Rama trying to talk to each and every one. And Aruroha Radhottamam. After that Rama is now getting into the beautiful chariot. Rajatam Rajanandanaha. Such wonderfully decorated Sri Ramachandra Swami is now getting into Radham. With meditation upon Sita Ramachandra Swami. Let us now sing the glory of Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.
As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.